guys, hopefully you can hear me okay. So this morning is September 19th, 2024, and this is the Anleolife bed. This is a 12-foot bed, and it's the longest raised metal package that I could find on the market. They sent it to me, I believe, in March. So in this bed I have grown microgreens. I put them in Grow It Now cones to protect them from weather and from, we have kittens, and kittens like to dig in dirt and mess things up. Currently what I have in the bed is tomatillos, cucumbers, eggplant, and then I have some Swiss chard over here. I have chamomile that I have had in the bed but have now pulled because I'm going to use this in the compost, and snapdragons. The thing I like about this bed is its length. I like that it's a longer bed. The bigger the bed, the better it holds moisture, and the happier the roots of the plants are because they're not compressed. They have room to spread out. The tomatillo is massive. This is just one tomatillo, but it's taken over half of the bed. And I only planted one cucumber, and it is September and we've had rain and cold, but we still have plenty of cucumbers coming on. So what do I like about this bed? I like this bed because it's big. It has reinforcement on the inside that keeps it from bowing out. It's light. I think they're pretty. The colors are pretty. For kids, I think this is a really fun height. If you're a senior that has a hard time getting down on their knees, you might want something taller, because in order to do a lot of picking, you do have to bend over, and otherwise I guess you could bring a chair out and sit in a chair while you're working in this bed. If you have chickens or ducks, this will not be tall enough to keep your chickens and your ducks out. You need a taller bed if you have small livestock that's running around. Cats will get into a bed this height, but they'll get into any bed, any height. I like to put bird netting over my garden beds when they're germinating, so that the kittens don't get in and dig in it and poop in it, or rub up on things or lay down on things, because kittens will do that. So it's just like a normal garden, just raised up a bit and in a pretty container. I recommend these. I have nothing bad to say about them. They are a great bed, and for people who like something low to the ground, definitely go for it. I think I might have a code for this in my email from when they sent this to me, so make sure to look for that in the description. And thanks for tuning in.